TPS, the manufacturer of digital cutting machine and channel letter bending machine. TPS, Digital Cutting Machine X7. This TPS Digital Cutting Machine X7 with professional operating and GUI software. As shown, it is equipped with aluminum honeycomb vacuum bed with high-quality conveyor belt, anti-collision safety mechanism, overhead camera, projector, automatic feeding conveyor, vacuum pump house with silencer, roll material feeder, and operator's console. Tool module. Fast and easy to change, replace universal tool modules. There are 2 positioning holes on the back of each module. Align the positioning hole with the positioning dowel. Insert and then secure with the 2 screws. Different tools can be installed into the universal tool modules. Tips. The integrated milling cutter module is as quick and easy as that of the universal tool module to change. Cutting tool. The cutting tool options include high-frequency electric oscillating tool, high-frequency pneumatic oscillating tool, rotary knife tool, independent milling system, drag knife tool, multi-angle V-cut tool, creasing tool, and kiss cut tool. Different tools apply to different materials in various industries, such as advertising, printing, packaging, signs, leather, shoes, gasket, and so on. Features. It has a high-strength honeycomb aluminum tabletop in one piece with 6-zone independent zones. Combined with a powerful vacuum pump, the material is held in position regardless of size. The machine can detect the height of the tabletop automatically. During installation, the whole table is mapped. This only takes 5 to 6 minutes to complete. The program stores the map data. This can be used for real-time height compensation. Fiber Laser Tools Calibrating Device. With Fiber Laser Tools Calibrating Device, the machine can complete knife tools automatically and efficiently. Safety anti-collision mechanism. The safety laser sensor and the anti-collision mechanism are equipped on both ends of the beams of front and rear sides of the cutting beam. If there is an obstacle blocking the safety laser or the anti-collision mechanism, the cutting will pause, and a safety warning with pop-up window appears on the operator's monitor. Automatic cutting for printed material with registration marks using CCD camera and overhead camera system. The overhead camera, optional, and CCD camera are used in conjunction. The large vision system of the overhead camera is used for initial rough positioning of the cutting head, and precise positioning is then taken care of with the CCD camera. The machine will cut the printed material automatically and accurately, so that users need not move the tool head manually for the first registration mark finding. Repeated cutting of roll material. Set the parameters once, and the machine will repeat cutting of printed roll materials utilizing the conveyor system. Automatic edge finding and positioning function. The machine can find out the edge of the material automatically with laser red pointer. Multi-station cycle cutting. The machine can utilize cycle cutting for materials placed on different vacuum zones with the multi-station option selected. As the cutting station changes, the vacuum zones will open or close automatically, so that users can manually put on or take out the material quickly and easily. It helps save production time. Laser mapping positioning function. This function applies to the gasket industry. No need to measure the material or draw the pattern. Users merely put the material of 4 shapes on discretionarily. The machine will detect it and generate the cutting pattern in the correct size. After that, whether the graphics to be cut are irregular or not, you only need to put the pattern inside the finished one, and the machine will complete cutting. Projection Positioning System. The projector can project 1:1 size images of cutting patterns on the table. The machine will then cut patterns correspondingly and automatically, which is convenient for users. The user can also place the material in irregular places within the projection area for the alignment cutting, which greatly improves the utilization of the material. Prevent Overcutting Function. The TPS control program has a function of prevent overcutting of inner angles. The first graphic is cut with the overcutting function enabled, and the second one is without. Comparing the two, the first one has no cutting of the inner angles. With this function, the cutting performance can be optimized and the graphics outline restored. File Management System. The TPS control program manages the process documents, including file name, processing time, quantity, materials, batches, etc. By scanning barcodes or QR codes with the CCD camera, the file information can be called out quickly. It's convenient for fast processing and management of previous jobs. TPS digital cutting machine works stably, using fine details parts and advanced technology. It would be your best choice.